In continuation of our documentary, yes, he's still fucking snoring. And still listening to the same Bedouin Soundclash songs. If anybody would like to adopt my friend, he's available. Take this moron too. He doesn't snore, but he's an idiot.
You should clean that up probably, eh?
Yeah. Why'd you do that? That was pretty dumb.
I didn't mean to. I was running and my shoe fell off. And I went flying.
This is enough.
Yeah.
I just figured I gotta upload it. Every once in a while he starts to snore really loudly, and then it's like he almost wakes himself up. And he just starts snoring normal level again. I think I'm gonna upload as many pictures as possible or videos to YouTube of him snoring, so that he knows what he sounds like. Maybe he'll start sleeping outside or something.